Start every note with the vocal fry. It's a quiet sound. But completely non-breathy. Don't worry if the slightly creaking sound persists throughout the scale. Let the M at the beginning provoke a buzzing sensation in the front of your face. Don't forget to drop your jaw significantly. On every vowel. Check your support muscles. We are not in the falsetto on the high notes. The muscles should be working quite hard. All throughout the exercise. Feel free to stop and take a break. And restart at any time if you get tired. It can be tiring. But should never be painful. Don't forget about the open throat. Keep out the yawning sensation. Raise your soft palate. And lower the larynx. Remember not to raise your chest when you breathe in. Relax in between every phrase. Okay, we're almost done. Good job.